3rd, 2021. This is when I got a call from a guy. I've worked with this guy a bunch of times over the years. He's an older gent, and I guess he's got a toilet that's all backed up. He calls me every 6 months with this thing all blocked up. And
on Tarkill Hill Road, then take the second right.
every time I go there, I show him what I use. I tell him to get a closet auger, the kind I have, and then he could take care of the issue himself. Well, every 6 months he calls me back. And he's been up all night trying to get the toilet unblocked. He's over there shitting logs. I could hear him screaming all the way 20 miles away at my house, you know, trying to push out this slipping log, and then all of a sudden he tries to flush it. It ain't going down. You gotta get in there and chop it up with a closet auger, then you'll be fine. But he calls me every 6 months, and you know, want me to go help him. Then they'll complain about the bill. Oh my God, I'm retired, you know. It's like, guy, I told you, every time I come here, I show you how to fix this thing, and he still calls me back, so I don't know. I'm gonna go over there and set up the shitter cam, see if we can give it to you. How you doing, Mama? Hide the children, Mama, hide the children. Hide the children, Mama. Oh, yeah, we're gonna set up the shitter cam, Molly.
Turn right on Highway 18.
Why would you wear gloves? I could never figure it out. Oh, why would you wear gloves? I could never figure out why you'd wear gloves. No. It's beyond me why somebody would wear gloves. I just can't figure it out. Hide the children, Mama. Alright guys, there's two kinds of snakes. There's one snake that's got a hook on it. See that hook? That's not the one I'm going to use. And there's one. It's just got a regular head on it. That's the one I'm going to use. This one's more like for retrieving stuff. This is the one I'm going to use right here. This is more like for retrieving stuff and pulling stuff that's in the toilet back out. So let's... So what exactly happened here? You weren't around?
No.
Who was?
Guy give me a ride to the lab. And I was at the lab and he was looking back. Take care of my dog.
Who was here? So we gotta get this. You out here playing with this thing all night?
Yep.
I could hear you from my house pushing out that Fred Flintstone. Didn't your mother ever tell you your vegetables? No?
Hey, how come you got such a goddamn bad rating on the internet?
Where?
You.
On what? Oh, on that,
Yelp or something?
Yelp. Fuck Yelp. See, what Yelp does is, they call you every week and they want you to send them money. So, if you don't send the money, they only post the bad reviews. If you go look down the bottom, the reviews that aren't accepted, yeah. I got like 50 good reviews on there. They only put the bad ones on there because they want their money. And I refuse to pay them son of a bitches. Yeah, that's Yelp. Go on Google and see what my ratings are.
I'm looking at it.
Fuck Yelp. They kiss my ass.
He's only got 2 stars on it.
No, that's Yelp. They're a piece of shit. I gotta actually do a video on that.
Huh?
So what? Something's weird about this. Who was it? Who was over here?
Guy that he's kind of like my caretaker. He drives.
So what do you think, he might have flushed something down there?
No, he said he said, oh, he's the voice. I took a massive shit.
Is that what he said?
Yeah.
Fuck yo. See, there's nothing in it. Pushing it right in, right? Yelp. Don't get me going on them fucking losers. He might have blocked up the flipping sewer guy.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
A massive shit, he said. There it goes. Man, looking nasty, huh?
Yeah, awfully nasty.
Hide the children. Hide the children. Yelp. So when I call him, I says, "Hey, how come all my good reviews are hidden in the bottom there where it says not accepted?" He says, "Oh no, we know if they're good reviews or not." I said, what do you mean you know if they're good reviews or not? I said, "You're only posting the bad ones because you want money out of me."
I was reading a couple guys said, "Oh, call him up, he hung up on me, I don't want to do that job." There you go. I never had a toilet block so easily like this one now.
You gotta get it. You gotta get a snake like mine. I keep telling you this.
I'm gonna get a new toilet.
You gotta get a power flush. So when you flush it, it shoots it all the way to the ship plant down the street, and then you won't have to worry about it, right?
Yeah.
It's got that extra push. It pushes it right to the ship plant.
I was thinking of going back to the cola. This has done this since it was put in.
Well, this is one of those.
Low flow, I know.
Well, no, it's a colored one. Remember, you wanted to go with the color. See it? It's what they call a bone.
Yeah, what the hell's that got to do with that house?
Hey, there it's going flushing good now. See it?
Yeah.
So the guy, your buddy, put a massive shit in there and blocked it. I mean,
I guess.
I'm gonna give him the bill.
What are you doing? Trying to block it?
I want to see if it's clear.
No.
Unless he's flipping needles down there or something.
No, I don't.
No, he's not into that shit.
No.
Well, people call me on the phone, want me to do a job, and I'm not interested in that job. I'm not being a jerk about it, just being honest. I said, I don't want to do it, guy. I mean, I got enough. They give me a bad review because I refuse to do the job. It's like, he wants to do a whole remodel on his house, you know, down on North Front Street where my truck's going to get ripped off by everybody. It's like, guy, I don't want to do that.
And that's the truth.
You know?
Will's turn.
Well, these other people call me from the housing project. They want me to come hook up their gas dryer. They ain't got no money. I'm going to go over there and do the job for this Section 8 lady. She's got no money. She's not even going to pay me. I'm not doing a job like that.
I wanted you to do something with a space heater or something.
Oh, no, what happened there was, listen to this one. This guy calls me, right, from Rochester, so I drive all the way up to Rochester. He's got one of them gas inserts in there.
Oh.
And then he put a natural gas insert in there, but he's got propane.
You know, like this fireplace?
No, so he's got propane, so hook propane up to it. Completely cook the unit because propane's so much hotter and you need a smaller orifice.
Yeah.
The thing was completely cooked. He wants me to fix it. I told the guy, I can't even touch this thing. This is a fire hazard. You got to replace the whole thing. He gave me a bad review. I mean, the thing was completely burnt.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't do that. So I got stories that go on and on forever with this
I'm
shit.
sure.
Then you get these companies that call you. Oh, you got bad reviews, you know. We could get them taken off there. I said, how you gonna do that? I said, oh, you gotta pay us so much money. It's like, guy.
Yeah.
No, I'm all set. Good luck.
Are you still snowboarding?
No.
No.
Too fat for that shit right now. We'll flush it one more time before we go. I'll just pay me some. So. Guy's pushing out a Fred Flintstone here and wants to flush it. It's stuck in there. There we go.